Beta-pleted sheet. It is a type of secondary structure in proteins. In the beta-sheet structure, two strands of amino acids overlap and bind with each other. Remember, these strands are held together by hydrogen bonds. This forms a sheet-like structure called beta-pleted sheet. There are two main types of beta sheets, parallel and anti-parallel. In a parallel beta sheet, both strands run in the same direction, so the end terminus or start of one strand is just adjacent to the end terminus of the other strand. This arrangement forms hydrogen bonds, but they are angled, not perfectly aligned. This misalignment makes the structure a bit less stable. That's why parallel beta sheets are weak. Now let's talk about anti-parallel beta sheets. In this type, the strands are anti-parallel. They run in opposite directions, so the N terminus of one strand is next to the C terminus of another strand. The hydrogen bonds here are perfectly aligned or straight, which makes the structure stronger and more stable. Remember, the arrangement of these sheets can impact protein-protein interaction and their function.